Alright, I have here my do-it-yourself fuel injector cleaner for 2004-2005 Suzuki GSX-R600. Of course, I guess you can do this on any bike, but the ones I saw on YouTube were all for cars or whatever with bigger fuel injectors, and they were asking you to use I think like a 50cc or 6 milliliter syringe, which I did buy and rigged up, but the end was too large for your for a smaller fuel injector. So I went back to Walgreens or CVS, whichever pharmaceutical stores near you, and bought me. Alright, this is the last of my fuel injectors. I've already done the other three, so they all seem to be shooting out. Damn, straw doesn't want to stay inside of the syringe, so I'm asking my girlfriend for help. Asking her to help to squeeze the squeeze the momentary switch for me while I hold this little rig together. All right, go. Press it, press it, press it. My fuel injectors are shooting out plenty of fuel, even though each one of them are only shooting out 2 streams. It has 4 holes. I'm not sure. 8, 9, 10. Alright, thank you. So I just ran fuel injector cleaner through each injector for 10 seconds, hoping that it'll give it a nice clean. I'm not gonna backwards flush it just because I still, which means reverse it and put the syringe on the other side, but I don't have a way to make it as tight as it would need to be to keep it pressurized. It doesn't even go on, so I'm not going to even do that. Undo my battery, undo all these. If it's going through one way, I assume it'll go through the other way. It might be a bad assumption, I know, but still, I don't have the capabilities right now to do it. I just wanted to make sure that the fuel injectors were actually capable of shooting out fuel, because they're not doing so when they're on my bike. I put them back into the fuel rail and try to see if they're shooting. Of course, I have my fuel pump wired up, fuel tank full of fuel going to these injectors. Also, I have what else? Oh, that's it. I've tied up my clutch, so all I have to do is press the start button. But actually, I'm gonna you press the start button for me? Have my girlfriend press the start button while I document these fuel injectors. But
hold the clutch.
Damn it. Okay, the clutch isn't held in tight enough. Hold on. Wait, just grab the clutch. Yes. All right, ready? Go ahead. There's nothing coming out. This one has a little bit shooting out, but very little. This one has nothing. So, number 3 had a very small amount shooting out. Number 1, number 2, and number 4 was nothing. So my problem is that, guys. So if anyone has any insight as to what was caused the fuel injectors to shoot or not shoot, I'd be greatly appreciative of the information. I'm leaning towards the ECU, but I've been told those go bad 1 in a million. Maybe this is my 1 in a million. Maybe I'm that one. Okay.